So this is 6.1 and 6.2. Hopefully this is review from all the logarithm worksheets we've done. So this is saying 8 to what power is 64? That's going to be 2. What is log base 3 of 1 over 27? Negative 3. What if you don't know how to do that? How do I calculate log base 8 of 64 with my calculator? Does my calculator have 8th gear? No. It only has 2 different gears, 10 and E. So we can use what's called the change of base formula. This is equivalent to ln 64 over the ln of 8. Or if you prefer, log 64 over log of 8. Or let's say your calculator had base 2, log base 2 of 64 over log base 2 of 8. Basically, you can convert any logarithm into a logarithm of any base you want using the change of base formula. All right. 4 to the negative 3 equals 1 over 64 as a logarithm. That would be log base 4 of 1 over 64 equals negative 3. And then this logarithm, let's call this an 8 so it's easier to see. So this would be 8 to the first equals 6, which is obviously not true, but that's how you convert from logarithms to exponents. Okay, how do we solve a logarithm? We convert to exponents. So 10 to the negative 1 equals x. And we just type 10 to the negative 1 in our calculator, or just know that it's 1 over 10. I'm afraid this is going to be a really easy assignment. Hate it when that happens. Okay. So we need to expand this. This gets a positive log, and this gets a negative log, and this exponent is going to drop down in front. So log of z plus 4 log of y. No. You guys aren't going to correct me? There we go. Minus 4 log of y. Any questions there? That's easy. Oh. So it's minus log of y to the 4th. And then we use the power rule to drop this down. Here we're going to put them together. So log base 4 of 3 times 5 equals log base 4 of the missing number. So that's just going to be 15. Okay. Okay, so this 11 is on top. And then what exponent can we put on the 2 so that that equals, so the 2 equals 1/4 would be negative 2. So this is going to be negative, well, sorry, negative 2 down here would make a negative 2 down there, which is where the 1/4 comes from. Convert to exponents. 3 squared is 9 is equal to negative 2x plus 4 minus 4. 5 equals negative 2x. Divide by 2, and x is negative 2.5. Now, you have to be careful with these. you always need to make sure to plug this number into the original equation to see if the logarithm, if you're taking the log of a negative number. So this cannot happen. There is no way to put an exponent on 3 and get a negative answer. So we stick negative 2.5 in there. Negative 2 times negative 2.5 is 5, plus 4 is 9. Can we take the log of 9? Yes, we can. So here we need to convert to exponents, but we can't do that until this is gone. The conversion can only happen when the logarithm is by itself. So we add 4. Log base 3 of x plus 1 equals 1. Convert to exponents. 3 to the first equals x plus 1. Subtract 1, and x is 2. And we double check. Does 2 create any problems? No, it does not. Okay. Now we have logs on both sides. If I can manipulate this so that I have a single logarithm is equal to a single logarithm, then I can just erase the logs. So if I can put those two together, then I can just erase the natural logs. So that would be the ln of 5x minus 10. They're both positive, so they both go on top. 5 times x minus 2 is 5x minus 10. And that is equal to the ln of 20. And if the ln of 5x minus 10 is equal to the ln of 20, then I can just get rid of the ln's and solve using algebra. 5x equals 30, x equals 6. Now I need to plug that back in to see if I create any problems. Does 6 cause any problems? No. If it does, we throw it out, and there's no answer. Let's do another one of these to see if there is a slightly harder version. Nope. Okay. So here, log base 10 of 7 is equal to, this one goes on top, log of x plus 2. This one goes on bottom, divided by 13. Now we have log equals log. Erase those. 7 is equal to x plus 2 over 13. Cross multiply. 7 times 13 is 70 plus 21. 91 is equal to x plus 2. Subtract 2. X is 89. If I did that right, that seems 7 times 13. Yeah. So, does 89 create any problems? Nope. So that's the answer. All right. 9-1 and 9-2 are the same assignment. Get to work. Or 6-1 and 6-2 are the same assignment. Thanks.